Hey guys, and welcome back to the Antique channel. Today we're going to be launching this rocket again. This time we have fully equipped it with a B-class engine in it. And in case you didn't know, last time we had an A-class engine in it. And every step engine up you go, so from A to B, it doubles the power. So now we're going to be doubling the power with the B-class engine. And I'm excited to see how far it's going to go up. Now we're launching the rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The wind is carrying it. As you can see here, it came back down, the parachute deployed, and it lives to see another day. If you did not see the first video of us launching this rocket, be sure to check it out. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you're new and want to see more content like this, and stay tuned for more content. See you guys.